Whenever that St. Mary was there, St. Mary was there.
Oh, Miss Daddy, careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Hey DDT fam, blessed day to you. I'm trying to keep my head. I don't know, there's a glare from my kitchen roof light. I don't know, but I'm trying to keep my head right here. I just want to make a little sit down video for you. It's like early in the morning. It's you know, we're having bad weather in Jamaica. It's really like chilly, and it's not even 5 yet. I'm the only one in the household that is up. And I wanted to do this video for you from the last live I did. I just want to say, I hope that whenever you get to watch this video, it may find you and your family in the best of everything, health, wealth, and everything. Okay? So let's get right into it. So you know, I told you that I had so much going on in my life from a little girl coming up, and I decided I would have shared some. No, I think this is probably the first one that I did in the live, and some people said that they were scared. Maybe at one time I got so emotional when I slammed down. Let me apologize for that. But I want to say to you, I did turn the comment section off, and I think I did turn the comment section off for another video. And let me just say here, I didn't do it for any, you know, not any like the disrespect or anything. I would love to, and that is why I told you I would do them in live so you can state your questions, you know. And that is why when I do these on a live, I will always turn off the comment section. When I do videos pertaining to my journey and I share, I'll always turn the comment section off. If you catch the live and you want to say something, fine. But let me tell you, I just want to say this. Since being on social media, I've seen a lot of people share their journey. I don't know for what reason some share. I guess some people share because they want people to realize or to know that if they are going through anything of the similarity of what they are talking about, they're not alone. Some people may share it for other reasons, for mischievous reasons. I don't know. But I share mine because I want people to know the journey or to understand. Because actually, let me rephrase that. I want people to understand that if you're going through stuff, it's not you alone. Because let me tell you, I'm trying to make this video as short as I can. Let me tell you something. There are some things that when you go through them, they are so disturbing to you that you want to try to feel, you want to say to yourself, wow, I don't think nobody else will go through this. They are so intense that you would say to yourself, I don't think nobody will go through this and me alone. So I share, and then when you share those things, you get so emotional. But my take is, there are some people, they have never been through anything. Them know for themselves, them get it all sweet and nice and dandy, nice bowl of cherry, washed and properly chilled and put down in front of them to eat. You don't know the other person's journey that is always in search of a few cherries, and they're always on the sour cherry end. You have always gotten your cherry, you don't know what they come by. You just get your cherry, them to eat sweet and nice and juicy. So you don't know about the person that is trying to get some cherries, barely ever get any, and most of all, always get the old sour cherry then. You don't know that, so that's not your journey, so you can't speak of it. Because you have a lot of people, when people share their journey, they come to say what they think, not what they know, because they can't know because they have never been through it. You have some people, their struggling is with their children, their very own children. And when people come and share it, people will want to come, that, because this and a good mother, yeah, this. Hello. Not because you have your kids and they are not rude to you, you know. You can chat and say this and say that. But the other mother or other mothers who are having struggles with their children, not because that they are not good mothers, but because they have that extra love. They go the extra mile, and that is their journey. If you get disrespect from them children, they didn't buy it. It is their journey. So you in a year look a corner chat about, I'm just referring to something. I hope you do understand. You in a year corner chat about she this, she that, she that. Hello? Did you know that one of the most loving set of mothers on the face of the earth are the mothers that get disrespected by their children? They get disrespected by their children because they are so full of love for them. They are the best moms, but that is for them journey. That's the journey them get. I for them cross that. You have some people, they have a roller coaster ride with relatives and siblings and something. That's my journey. So if me see somebody come and I share their journey because them have, them siblings and this, and if you remember in that live, I asked a question. Has anybody here ever have some sibling with old 20, 30-year-old on them and seem to think that they are your responsibility? If you don't know that journey, you can't attest to it. It never happened to you. So when I share, I want people to understand that I share. And there are some people, as I said before, them never been through nothing, them always are getting nice. You have some women, their journey, some of us, you meet a man and you have a child or 2 kids for him or whatever, and it no work. You go on to another relationship and it don't work and you get some more children. You might end up in another one and you get another child or 2 and it don't work. Hello, that doesn't mean that she's not a good person. It is just her cross, a fear journey that. So the thing is, what I'm saying, with myself included, when these things happen to us over a period of time, I think at some point we got to take responsibility. Like, first, let me speak on my behalf by setting boundaries with your siblings, setting boundaries with your children. If the situation gets too intense, we take too long to set boundaries, and because of that, we hurt continuously. We hurt. So people that has never gone through anything, you are not in a position to be saying, who, this, that. And the thing is, when you say those things and the person knows that that's not how it goes, you just add more pain to the person pain. When viewers, you are the viewers, right? So when some viewers, not everybody come to say this, and you as a person that's sharing your journey knows that's not the case, them just add more pain to your pain. You get the message? So you have not gone any journey. From you know yourself, you get a husband and you're married and you live happily ever after like them storybook people. You don't know the journey of a woman that doesn't have more than one marriages and them not successful. Don't say anything that is mean, not because your marriage is a perfect marriage. You are going to say this, that, and say stuff that only inflicts more pain to her home. You don't know. That is her journey. So when you not do the journey, don't say anything. When you can say, okay, me and my sibling, them always live good. Okay, yes. So that is what you know. So you don't know, you have never had the experience of going through any, form of not good living with your siblings. You don't have that experience. So I don't think you're at liberty to come and say stuff, because you want to come up in a nice, good family life, everything. So you are not at liberty to say that the person is this. You've never been through nothing. You never climbed no mountain. You get it all laid out from you know yourself. You have some people, I'm just making these like as examples. You see some people, they get a mortgage loan and they end up them lose them house. Poor people them. You have house living You have never been to the bank to get the process of getting a mortgage loan and have 30, 40 years to pay it back. You don't know those struggles and to lose a job and things get rough. You in our house where somebody left for you, your mother, your father, your family, and you come and that house was handed down to you. Don't pay for it, has already been paid for. You don't know the struggling of the person that has their house through a mortgage loan where them have a finance and they fall on rough grounds and them lose them house. You can't say nothing. You gotta zip because you're in our house where you don't know how it come by. You don't know it pay for, but you know so you're at the point where nobody can come take it away from you. So you cannot speak for the person that went through the bank, got a mortgage loan, and fall on rough times, and them have them house taken away. So you are not at liberty to say, oh, a carelessness or that. Don't say anything because you have not gone that journey. You get what me I say? And this video is to say, when you not do the journey, you don't know the story. So if you want to listen, you can listen. And you can try to theorize, you know. But just don't get up, come say something so. Because you don't know nothing. You not been through no journey. You don't been through any journey. You know? It's like sometimes you see some women who are in abusive relationships and you hear people, get out. Yes. Don't you think they don't want to get out, some of them? Some of them genuinely. And you can type in the comment section. You can give me your feedback in the comment section. And as I said before, when I share those on the lives, I will turn off the comment section for those. But when I do like this, I will just leave it open. Right? You don't know. Some of them genuinely want to get out. You don't know the situation because it gets so intense upon them because from beginning day one, them never did set no boundary. But you in your relationship, you're married, you're all right, everything good, everything nice. Your husband never abused you physically, no tally at all. So you can just get up and say just about anything because you have never been in an abusive relationship. Okay? So let us try to be kind, to be most of all understanding when people share their story and not come to say, yeah man, da. If you have not done the journey, you cannot relate to the story. Okay, I'm just saying that to say, and I just want to, to understand to people to understand when just not me alone, when people put out them story, because genuinely sometimes it is the love that we have inside of us that let us go into these situations extra. You might also, why I never did cut them off, why I never did let them. Yes, that's a good question. But why you don't have to say mean things? Yeah, because you want, as a person, you want X for work. You want it for work. You're going to say to the woman, why I never left him here? She never really wanted to come out her marriage just like that. She wanted her marriage to work. So she tried to go the like extra mile, but each extra mile she go is just that the battering continues. You want to live good with your siblings. You want to have loving siblings that we can have nice big family gatherings and enjoy like all regular people do. But it's our journey. You now get it. And then you continue to work on it and it doesn't happen. And you get hurt emotionally, sometimes physically, mentally, most of all. Is what me I say? Right? Because we did not set our boundaries like me. It take too long to set it, and that's okay. I don't blame anybody for that, because things that happened to me with siblings, I should have cut them off long ago. Because guess what? I don't owe them anything. I don't owe them no obligation. So I should have cut them off long ago. You get what I say? But because I'm saying, okay, I am a family person. I want love to prevail. But how much more can you go? I think I heard somebody, I think I went back to the chat and somebody was saying, so what about that brother that did you wrong? Where is he now? Is he okay? I don't know. And I don't care to know if he's okay. That's not my problem. My problem is to make sure that at this point, I am okay. So you see, stuff like those, it throws you off. It throws you off. Why would I be concerned where he is? Why would I be concerned for him? He was not concerned for me and my child. Why would I be concerned for him? I used to be concerned. So that is why I'm saying people are not getting at this point. I have just let go. So from your end, and you people, oh, pray. You got to pray. Come on. Some of the people that are saying this, that, they have never even prayed before. Some of them are telling us if you pray. Them never even pray from the day them born. Hello. Every prayer comes with, you have to make, prayer come with actions. You can't just get up and pray so and expect to sit down, pray and sit down. You have got to take action. You have got to do stuff. Right? Pray for come out an abusive relationship, but you have to find yourself putting your shoulder to the wheel, trying to take some actions. Prayer comes with you doing actions, because God give us the ability to pray and to lift our faith, but at the same time, in what we exercise our own, action, to understand ourselves, so that if we understand that we have got to do it for ourselves. So as me say, I'm gonna end. I don't want to take the video on too much. If you have not been through the journey, when Miss had somebody died, my mom died tragically. I've never shared that story. I'm not sure if I even want to share it either. And I was doing business catering at the time, and when I went and I said to the people, I'm going to be off for a few weeks because whatever. Me hear somebody say, me never have nobody in my family dead yet. Come on. No, you never have nobody in your family dead yet. But things that you're going to have at some point in your life, you're going to ever have somebody in your family pass on. Those are the things that I'm talking about. Why would you want to make a statement like that as a grown person? That's what I keep telling you. That's what I'm just saying to you. I'm sharing this with you. Okay? You never have nobody upon your ends in your family pass on where you have to mourn and go to the funeral. Oh, hello. You can sit there and hear somebody say, oh, my mom passed on that and what for whatever reason. And at this time, at the year when it comes, I'm so sad and everything. Yeah, you can't chat anything and say anything because you never have your mother not pass on, your mother still around. Or maybe from your born, you never know your mother, you never even get to meet your mother. So you never have no mom where you miss at a certain time, and when that time comes on, you're sad. So you just want to say anything. You don't know the feeling. So you just chat anything, not thinking that someday, maybe not your mom, but somebody close to you will pass on, and you will be able to adapt at that time now. You're going to know the story. But you never did know the story back then. You just say stuff. So this video is to say, when you don't know, you just try to listen. Just don't try to come and just to talk loose. You don't know the story, so you cannot say anything. You have never done the journey, so you don't know the story. You don't know the story. There's a thing where them hear them and say, no, you don't know the story, but you only see the glory. Hello, that's so true. You don't know people's story. You don't know from whence them are come. I have people look at me and tell me, say, when they were living in a tenement yard, and when things were rough with their husband and they were having children, and in a tenement yard, them share one kitchen, one bathroom. Everybody have them little stove in a little corner in the kitchen. There were days when chef would go in there, put on pot pan fire, because a tenement yard people are watch you to see if you are cook for anything, then take it because you tell you don't have no food. Put on one little pot pan the fire and stir with salt and water. Sometimes she say 2 banana in there, sometimes not in there. And I feel kind of just I guide the pot for them not sick. Because me might them have for them all the food and a cook, Them are watching, for see where you're in your pot. And you have to be smart. Take time, take off your little pot. Anybody know about them something there when them are come? Just it's a journey of your journey. You lucky you did have one life, where you have one man or one husband where everything always good. You are so on the lucky side. But what about the person where them have them husband and You know, me can attest to that. Worse if it's a person, it's a tradesman, like we say in Jamaica. You know, sometimes there are jobs, sometimes there are no jobs. So now because you have and you always can put on a big pot, the person who struggle for put on them pot from day to day, you know, just get up and say things, so, you know. So you, and then no, she said in the long run when them finally own a house, pay for that and own a second house, people are gonna look and say, them all right man, them have big house. You don't know if people tell you the struggling and the journey that they have come and to reach where they are, you would marvel. But you have it all, me say, bowl of cherry, sit down, wash, freeze, cool and nice. You keep eating away at it and having juicy, nice sweet cherries so you can say anything. But you don't understand people that have been struggling to get one sweet cherry all them life. But every time them do buck up on cherry, a sour cherry. I leave it there. Okay? Give me your feedback in the comments below. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. And it doesn't matter what we do right on over here. Never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Stay and stop your struggling. It doesn't matter what. One day it will end. And remember, when things are getting out of hand, remember to start setting boundaries. Or better yet, have your boundary plan set before like the cricketer them. Love you.